Ever thought of giving your breakfast a fizzy twist? Welcome to a world where pancakes meet Coca-Cola. Yes, you heard it right. Coca-Cola fluffy pancakes. The secret lies in the bubbles. They add a unique fluffiness to your pancakes, making them incredibly light and airy. And don't worry, you won't taste the cola, but you'll certainly notice the difference in the texture. Imagine starting your day with these deliciously fluffy pancakes, topped with a dollop of butter, a drizzle of syrup, and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. The perfect blend of sweet and savory. And the best part, it's easy to make. Just replace the milk in your regular pancake recipe with an equal amount of Coca-Cola. Whisk it up, cook on a hot griddle, and voila! Coca-Cola pancakes ready to serve. So why not give it a try? Bring a twist to your traditional breakfast with Coca-Cola pancakes. Remember, the secret is in the bubbles. And if you enjoyed this unique breakfast idea, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. Because who knows? Tomorrow we might be cooking with Sprite.